This is why cats are so cute. It's not just their big eyes or tiny noses. It's their soft paws and fluffy fur that make you want to cuddle them all day. Cats really know how to be cute. Ever seen them blink slowly at you? That's them saying, "Pet me, pet me." And when they roll onto their back and show their belly, watch out, it's a trap. You think you're getting a cuddle, but soon you're playing their game. Even when they flick their tail, it shows they're in charge. And those stretches? Cats make even a big stretch look graceful and cute. When they press their paws on things, like they're trying to get comfy, it's so adorable. Cats even make napping look cute. And when they curl up into a little loaf, they're impossible to resist. They're almost as irresistible as hitting that subscribe button. So